Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to share with you guys my new favorite deodorant. This Dove antiperspirant is 100% an authentic imported Dove product. I love all the benefits. For one, the 48-hour long-lasting sweat and odor protection. It's perfect for on the go, those really hot summer days, as well as if you really like to work out. It also works as a moisturizing cream, and it does not irritate the skin, so this is great for people with sensitive skin. It's also been approved by dermatologists, so I feel very comfortable using this on my skin. And Clean Comfort is the perfect name for this fragrance because it is just that. It is a very pleasant scent, but not overpowering at all, and can be paired perfectly with your favorite cologne or perfume. A lot of product comes out when you do spray from this bottle, so a little goes a long way, and a bottle can last you for a really long time. This antiperspirant has never disappointed me. Whenever I run out of it, I always come back for more. This Dove antiperspirant is my new favorite, but that's just my point of view.